Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. First off, I realize that after hours right now, the price action is all over the place. So from where it stands right now after hours, and then you factor in pre-market tomorrow, where is this one going to open up? You know, I have no idea. Nobody knows. But the point of this is just to still map out some levels of support and resistance. And, you know, obviously if the price opens up well below a bunch of areas of support, well, then that would be considered a very bearish situation. Now, if the price maintains and stays up above levels of support, well, then, you know, maybe it's not quite as bad as what, the market may seem at this point in time. This point in time, yeah, I get it. As I speak right now, the price action is changing with the after hours trading. But the whole point here is let's just talk about some broad levels. And then, you know, wherever it opens up tomorrow, you know, that'll be kind of a revealing in the sense of whether or not the open is that bad, or maybe it's actually pretty good. But as it stands right now, seems to be like it's going to be rough, but a lot of time with after hours and then pre-market. So first thing I'm going to do is just update a couple levels here. How do we want to do this? I guess it's still easy enough to see. And the first overall area of support, I'm going to just get rid of that since the price broke below it today, but is $2.85. And this level should sound familiar to those of you that have watched the videos I've done in the past. It's been a few days since I've done any updates on this one, but 285 is definitely an overall area of support where you can see right here, basically the bottom of this broad scope channel. Channel being defined right here. That's taken place over the past several weeks. Bottom of the channel, again, already talked about that at 285. Top of the channel there at 380. Now, it's not looking like that's going to happen, but if for some strange reason all of a sudden the price gaps up over $3.80, well, hey, from a technical perspective, that would actually be a huge sign of power, because that would be a technical breakout to the upside of this channel. Again, I'm not saying that'll happen. Doesn't look like it will, but, you know, that's what I mean by you just never know where it's going to open, but where it does in terms of, you know, these overall pivot points is going to be very revealing. As far as the next key level of support in the event 285 does not hold, would be down here around the gap close location of $2.25. So going into tomorrow, the two key primary areas of support, again, 285 and then $2.20, that key primary area of resistance up there at $3.80. So we'll see how things open up, and, you know, kind of just got to trade from there. But at least these levels give us some preliminary, levels on, the strength or lack thereof of any sort of, opening price movement. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.